Yeah, good morning guys. So this is our third day and we're going to we were able to vlog going here pero alam ko mahirap pumunta dito kasi depende sa stage, depende dun sa hotel nyo. Pero walking distance naman siya around yung sa amin kasi is 10 to 15 minutes lang yung ano namin sa station. So, nandito kami ngayon sa bus station. Dito sa malapit ka actually this na New Woman? Is this a New Woman building? Parang ganun ang pangalan. New Woman. Nasa loob tayo ng isang building where saan malapit lang sa JR station, train station. Magkatabi lang po sila. So, tataas ka po dito sa 4th floor. Pero pumunta muna po kami sa ano yung information? Shinjuku Tourist Information sa baba para alamin kung ano yung mga available pass kung saan siya pupunta. So, nagbigay sila ng what's this information, just this. Actually, dapat di-depart kami ng 10:45. Unfortunately, yung 11:15 is fully booked na at yung 10:45 fully booked na rin. So, magdi-depart kami ng 11:45. Yun ang available bus. So, bumili na kami ng bus ticket. Nasa 4th floor po yung bilihan ng ticket. At the same time, sa labas po niya, ito pa, makita ko. Yan po yung bus. So, nasa B4 po kami. Sasabihin naman po nila kung saan letter kayo mag-wait. So, parang ito yung terminal po nila ng bus. So, from bus, nag-ask din kami na information kung pwede kami pumunta dito, mag-ride ng bus. Narita, Shinjuku, all the way to Narita Airport. Sabi nila pwede daw dito, pwedeng bumili ng ticket. So, let's see kung ano pong mangyayari. So, ito yung ticket namin all the way there. Okay, one way po ito. So, ibig sabihin, pagbalik, bago na naman. Ita sila ng fare. Kasi, nakalagay dun sa may 1.5 lang. Pero ngayon, 1,200. Nakita ko yung aking ticket. And ito po ang itsura ng ating terminal. Ticket, pila ka. Very friendly. So, we'll wait until 11:55 para po sa susunod namin adventure, which is cable car po tayo. So, mag-cable car. Ano po ba? Nag-breakfast po kami sa Lawson. As usual, kinuha ko po ay what's this? Yung ating sandwich with strawberry, which is masarap. Strawberry, sarap ng sandwich. And bumili rin po ako sushi rice. Tapos juice, water, and curry para pag-trip po natin. May baon po kaming wafer and cookies in case po na magutom kami. Pero I think hindi naman kasi kung ang travel time from Shinjuku 11:45, so darating na kami doon ng 1:00. Ay hindi, 1:30. Makarating kami doon ng 1:30 at ang last street na papatik dito sa Shinjuku is ang 10:20 plus 8. Plus 8 ba? Plus 6. Yeah, 6. Yeah. Yun po yung last na ano. Mag-a-arrive po tayo ng alas 8 dito ng gabi. Tama-tama lang po yun para sa gagawin nating city tour ng Shinjuku night market o nightlife din. Actually, na ano na kami ng glimpse of that. Grabe, buhay na buhay ka. Ang daming tao pala paggabi. Kasi hindi kami, the first night naman was na tulog kami kasi napagod kami sa biyahe. The second night, galing kami ng Tokyo Tower, diretso kami dito, nakarating kami makalamunin. And then, diretso kami nag-dinner. Ang dami talaga tao, ang daming tourists. Makikita natin yan. Makikita nyo yan sa video ko later on, papakita ko. Pero, for now, ito muna tayo. Update you guys later regarding sa bus lang. So, 11:45 pa. So, sabi naman nila, pwede pa kami bumabas. Balik lang kami 10 minutes before or 20 minutes before. Pero, siguro dito na lang kayo mag-antay. Usual na ginagawa. Yung mga bus lang hanggang ano. So, update ko kayo. Okay. We're in the bus. Going to station. Going to Mount Fuji. The bus is mayroon siya sa baba, mayroon siya sa taas. Buti na lang nandito kami sa taas. There you go. So, nasa top deck tayo ulit. So, wait lang natin na kapuno yung bus bago tayo umalis. Update to you later again. Highland Resorts Palawan. Roller coaster sila. Wow! Highland. Hindi ito yun, di ba? Kaya ba natin sakyan to? No, the roller coaster. Pero this is not our station, di ba? Iba, iba pa. Tayo sa iba. Station. Then, we'll ride a bus papunta sa River Park. Ngipin tayo kasi makapasok sila. Street siguro. So, nakainan ba tayo? O doon na lang tayo kakain? Nakainan ba tayo? Wala. station. Wala. Nasa Kawaguchiko station lang. Ride with visa. Secure. Ticket. May for ticket. Inside and let's go buy ticket. Go inside and buy ticket. Oh, going back. That ticket is buying going back. Okay, Puma. Let's go buy ticket. Mount Fuji, Fuji 5 Lakes area pass. Is that what we're gonna buy? Huh? Yes. Unlimited bus ride, sightseeing bus. We're gonna ride the sightseeing
It's not free. Frequently, but already full. No one. It's the last.
Yun lang, wala na tayong gawin. And sige.
Put there, right?
Ay,
So just right. Then if we're going, okay, we're going to pay now here. And then what is the available time for Shinjuku later? Here also. Tomorrow? Today. When we get back, what else can we do here? Guess what? 2 o'clock. In the afternoon.
yung yung ating lilinyahan kasi marami sila. So,
Ikaw
dumitindi ako sa tao na marami yung linya. So, marami tayo. So, go. Ito yung bus na sasakyan natin. Pupunta tayo sa sightseeing. Kaya, magpapayad na lang daw tayo sa bus. 150 daw ang pamasahe. Bumili na kami ng ticket pabalik. What time is our ride? Alas 8 niya. Alas 8. So makakarating tayo ng alas 10.
Yun na kasi ang susunod.
Yun na yun. Kasi fully booked na. Wala na yung iba. Tapos
Hindi pa tayo bumili.
Hindi pa kayo magkatabi.
Bukas na daw kami makakauwi. Saan tayo matutulog?
Oo, hindi. Kaya uwi na kami. Standing eh. Tanda tayo. They say pay later. We're gonna pay later.
Pay more. Yeah, sit over there. I'm gonna sit here.
Yeah, thank you.
The right one.
Well,
Red line.
red line number 1. 1. Right. Okay. Thank you, Agregato. Huh? Where is? We follow that. we go over there. Over there, there. Oh, they have food there. Yeah. Are you hungry? Maybe we could eat later. We'll go to table. This week? Can we go this week? It's more, what's this? Shortcut? You go to the Rockway too? Yeah, me too. I mean, we could go here or there. Okay, let's go to the long road. We try this too. We gonna try that one, the cookie. Like resort. Let's go. Wait, same way. See up. Panoramic. Oh my god. We just always want to talk about. I said we can go over there. There you go. This is one of our bucket lists. We have to do it. Ito naman po tayo. Taas na naman tayo. Ayan na.
How much is the Rockway? One six? Two. Round trip to mag-hike kita.
Pasal round trip?
Round trip.
Hiking ba ba?
Round trip.
Round trip. Good for two.
Okay.
1.8.
Fine. Nakikip ko siya. Iniwan. Ito dito siya. Pwede ito.
Thank you. Arigato. Go. Okay, upstairs.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
tickets, round trips would cost us 1.8. Shima. Picture, sister. Here. Ibig sabihin na bababa tayo dito. Hindi na natin kaya. Oh? Really? We're gonna do in a different area?
No. Here. Yeah. But the hiking, not here.
Oh my gosh. Bukan. Gimana,
皆様、本日はようこそおいでくださいました。私、川口湖温泉郷の温泉娘、川口湖高木と申します。これより皆様を天井山展望台へとご案内いたしますが、Thank you for coming today. We will now visit the mountain zone wetlands. 展望台のうさぎ神社では、登山者や観光のお客様の安全と接客を祈願して、うさぎのご神体が祀られていますのよ。で忘れてはいけないのが、たぬき小屋名物のたぬき団子ですからね。その場で炭火を使って焼き上げる団子に甘辛いタレが絡み合って、それはもう絶品の一言。一見の価値ならぬ一食の価値ありですわ。About Usagi Shinja and the observation that the fish of the rock is enjoying their trip for the house and safety subscribers and tourists. Don't forget about the Tanuki Dango, a specialty of the Rocky Sim Cafe. The sweet rice is made of the hot over taco and served with the salty sweet sauce. It's delicious. さらに登っていただきますと、武田信玄の戦国広場絶景櫓がございます。我らが親方様もここから眺める雄大な富士山に心を動かされていますのよ。皆様もぜひ足をお運びくださいませ。If you keep going, you will see the Fujiyama viewing platform. We love the magnificent view of Mount Fuji that you can see from here. We hope that you will enjoy it too. 皆様、まもなく到着でございます。降りる際は足元に気をつけて立ち止まらずにお進みくださいませ。We have nearly arrived. When walking, please put your tap on the top and keep moving. それでは、お時間の許します限り、ゆっくり山頂でのひとときをお楽しみください。Please enjoy your time on the summit.
Same pababa. Punta Okay, labas na tayo sa cave. Roofway. Okay, fine. Roofway. Oh my gosh, here it goes. Ito ang pinunta natin. Hello, Mount Fuji. Here we go. Nice. Nice. Let's look. Mount Fuji. Thank you. So, ito na. Nandito na po tayo. Sa dami ng na-experience na naman namin from over here. So, this is the magnificent view of Mount Fuji.